What's going on, my fellow jewelers? So today I'm teaching you something I think all jewelry makers should know, and that's how to convert your pierced earrings into clip-on earrings. There are plenty of people that have never pierced your ears and are never going to, and may come to you and be like, hey, can you make these into clip-on earrings for me? And it's going to be great to have this little technique in your tool belt. So not only am I going to teach you how to convert earrings, but I'm going to teach you actually how to go from scratch as well, how to make clip-on earrings. So let's dive right in right now. You and me, let's go. So I want to show you first how to even just make a clip-on earring from scratch. So let's say you have the earring part that you like. You're gonna need your jump rings, and you're gonna want to make sure it's gonna face the right way. If it's not facing the right way, they're not gonna want to wear it. So you're gonna make sure that it's facing the way that would be most pleasing for the person wearing it. And so in this case, it's gonna take 2 jump rings. Sometimes it only takes 1, sometimes it takes 2. And so you're just gonna take your jump ring and you're gonna open up. This is a pretty big one because I have a big earring. And then I'm going to close this sucker up just like this. And then these guys, these are already open. Do you see this? Like this part, it's already open. And so you're gonna need to open and close this next jump ring. Sometimes when you're doing earrings, you can leave the jump ring open, put the earring in, and then close it up. But in this case, we're just going to put the next jump ring on like so. And we're going to close it up. And then the little round piece you see needs to be at the top. This is not for the bottom. This is for the top when it comes to these special clip-on earrings that I get at Michael's. So make sure you know which is the top and which is the bottom. So then we're going to put the right way, right? We don't want to do it backwards. We want to do this facing forwards. But then this little guy, it just needs to be kind of pinched until it's closed all the way. So it just needs to be pinched just like that until it's closed. And that, I mean, super easy, right? Super, super simple. But let's say someone comes to you and wants their earring converted, right? So they hand you your earring and they're like, I need you to convert this for me. Easy, easy. Let me show you. Super quick, super easy. It's pretty much everything is set up for you, but you just need to, for the hook part, you just need to open like so, slip it out, and then you're going to put it in here, making sure it's facing the right way. If it's not facing the right way, redo it because it's so annoying if it's not faced the right way. And again, I'm just going to squeeze. Usually I use 2 pliers to close something up, but in this case, this guy was kind of like this. They were both kind of like crooked like that. And so I'm just squishing them so they're lined up together. And it's so easy. Like, that's how easy it is to make clip-on earrings. Make sure you remember this because someone's gonna ask you someday, can you make me some clip-on earrings? You're like, I got you. So thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you comment, share, like, and guess what? I'm gonna catch you in the next video right here, right here, right here, right here. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.